Yo, good day everyone, it's Kelly Sonda. Welcome to this YouTube video. Today in this YouTube video, I'm gonna be showing you guys probably how I lost up to 100 pips, right? So this trade has been a trade I've been waiting for since when I saw the Monday open, okay? But now let me show you guys what happened today. So today early morning, I was looking at the to take a trade on London session. So you see, I said watching time really matters, and this was forwarded from the Saunders FX VIP group. Remember, this is our Telegram channel. This is a free Telegram channel, okay? I do update here also, okay? So if you want to join, do how to use the link at the video description. Also, my Twitter and Instagram, I do post there also. So if you want to get trading and ideas or setups or analysis or teaching, do well to join our Telegram, okay? So, and also if you also wish to learn more advanced, you can also do well to join the what VIP group if you can afford that, right? So this Euro USD chart 1 hour, as you can see time, this was around 807 that is W80, yeah. Okay, so this when the trade haven't started. So overall, this was my TP1. My TP1 was around here. This is the new week open. Remember, this week opened with a massive gap, and the gap hasn't been filled since Monday, Tuesday. Today was Wednesday. So I'll actually take you guys and show you why I missed this trade. Okay, this was a withdrawal from XNext. I also posted that. This was when the trade happened. I told them I was waiting for a retracement. That was why. Although some of my students have good sales running already, but I don't just I didn't want to enter that way just like that. So this is me updating the group. Okay, let's come to our chart right away. So coming over here, you can see this is an alert. I stated an alert. If I break down to the 15 minutes time frame, you will see where I wanted price to come to before I take the trade, but price failed to what come to that level. Okay, now looking at it here from the 15 minutes time frame, you can see, let's remove this for a bit. You can see that this was a displacement that led to what a break of structure here. Let me bring that out. So there was a break of structure here. Okay, so price broke structure here. Although before price broke structure, I've been watching it right from here. So I was actually expecting price to tap into this FVG that led to the displacement. Then overall for the daily bias anyway, so yeah, so I was just waiting for price, but although price nearly came to it by 2 to 3 pips, but I was just thinking that yes, it will end up. I'll be deleting this alert. As you can see, I've deleted my alert. So I was, price just came 2 to 3 pips up to it. So overall, you see that these two gaps here now, they are like two. Okay, I should have utilized this one, but due to I was looking at a lower time frame, that is a fault number one. Looking at the lower time frame, I did not actually take the trade or to risk, and I was not. I didn't want to risk more than what is it called? I didn't want to risk more than 20 pips on this trade. Overall, I know it was a 50 to 70 pips trade or 100 pips trade, which is currently floating 100 and what 20 pips. You understand? So I didn't take this trade from here because I was waiting for it to just come up a little bit, right? Because this is London session, anything can happen. So when I saw this break in structure, we didn't really I didn't let me say the templates. So when I saw the break in structure, I did not actually utilize this. But overall, let me show you guys how. I wanted to put the text, but let's leave that. So going over to the daily time frame, let me show you something on the daily time frame so that you understand what I'm saying better. So this is a breakdown of the trade idea. I want to show you guys the trade idea, why I actually even decided to take the trades in the first place. Okay, so my chart is loading. Yeah, control. Let me reload my page. Okay, yeah, this is Euro USD. Is reloading. So I want to show you guys how I established my daily bias for that trade. Okay, So Euro USD on the daily, let's go to the daily time frame. This is the daily time frame. Okay, now watching from here, you see that this is where Monday opened, right? This is last week closure. This is Monday daily candle, Tuesday and Wednesday. Okay, so for clear view, I'll be using a vertical line to delineate that so that you understand better what I'm trying to show you guys here on how I established the bias. Okay, so I'll be putting a line on Wednesday also. Okay, okay, confirm. So from the daily, you see that Wednesday took out Tuesday's highs, but on GBP USD the high was not taken out on GBP USD. If you go to GBP USD, you see that the high wasn't taken out. Let's go to GBP USD. This is intermarket analysis right now. Looking at GBP USD trying to encroach the level right here, as you can see. While Euro USD have what filled this gap already. Let's go back to Euro USD. Now this I'm just trying to put a concept of intermarket analysis. Euro USD filled this zone open, but here on GBP USD, as you can see, this is GBP USD. It hasn't yet filled. This is what we call intermarket analysis. And here, this is on Wednesday. GBP USD what didn't take out the high. GBP USD formed a lower high. This is called what SMT divergent. Okay, so GBP USD here formed a what a lower high. While coming over here on Euro USD, let's move to Euro USD. This is Euro USD. Euro USD here formed a what a higher high. Let me remove this line so that you can see what I'm trying to. I'll put it back anyway. So here you see that Euro USD did what formed a what a higher high. And when you see something like this, you know that yes, probably smart money is what actively, let me zoom, trading the market. Okay, here you can see from here to here a higher high, but on GBP USD we didn't see any sort of that. Okay, we didn't see any sort of that on GBP USD. So having this in confidence, I know that today was a great sale. And where will my targets be? This new the week opening gap. So for you to see this gap clear, we'll drop to the what let's drop to the 1 hour time frame or 15 minutes. Let's drop to the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so this is not really a trend line. I'm just using this to show you guys what happened, right? Go back to Euro USD. Okay, yeah, as you can see, this was last Friday close. This is Sunday opening at midnight. Then London pulled back. So this has been the price action since what is it called? Since Monday, Tuesday, and CPI was yesterday. This was CPI news release, I believe. There was no much impact. There was no volatility at all, and believe many people we are looking at 1.08 for Euro USD, but I knew that we are highly bearish, in as much as we have fundamentals of the collapse of SVB bank, and everything affecting the US dollar. But I still know that dollar will pull back small, retreat a bit before anything what happens. Well, this drop here, I did not participate in it. I missed my trade. Okay, although I had the framework, I had the setup. Okay, so but overall price did not tag me in. Price didn't tag me in at all. So this is probably 60 pips, but assuming I targeted, because my plan was to target low here. So probably if I targeted that low, it would have been 100 pips trade regardless. And this is type of setup I go for, but it's just that the consolidation wasn't enough to tag me in. So this is probably how I lost this move. But many people took this trade on gold. Many of my students took the sales on gold, because I've been bearish on gold since Monday, but Monday went up, so probably I left gold. So all of this was I do drop them on the channel, you understand. So if you haven't joined the channel, do well to join the channel. So looking at the daily price action, it's clear this buy was also anticipated. Okay, then this is a consolidation. This is a weekly line anyway. So that is that for today. So what am I expecting New York session? This is a large range day, so I'll be avoiding throughout this week probably, but from next week, any possible retracement will lead to shorting. I'll be taking a short trade. And also, even from the monthly time frame, I already have an established bias already. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. From the monthly already, I expected a retracement. Remember, we have been bullish all this while. We have been very, very, very what bullish. But now, using the monthly as confluence, let me remove this vertical line. So using a monthly as confluence, all this is what learn and understand, and look out for in trading. Um, I guess these lines are much. These lines are much, but I want to remove them so that you see a clear view of what I'm trying to say. Nice. Okay, now so looking at Euro USD on the monthly time frame, okay, you see that we have been bullish, right? And this is a retracement, and this retracement to this, first of all, tapping to this multiplication block, dropping, put back. So once price breaks this low, although price breaks it a bit before even retracing higher here, so any upward move should be what? A sell. Okay, so from the monthly, you're very, very bearish, expecting an expansion that will lead to this low. But remember, I've talked about this earlier in my previous video, but remember I said it will not happen what? Immediately. So, but holding it for the long term, or it's not really that easy to take the swing trade, because many fundamentals are coming out from the market and everything is happening. But from here also, I expect a what? If not taking out the low, then comfortably was taking out this high. This is just my monthly picture view on Euro USD. Okay, but now you can't just wake up to sell here. You can do it if you can risk. If you choose to risk how many pips now? If you choose to risk 400 pips to get just here, okay, this is 400, which is not ideal. It's 50-50. I don't support that. It's not a good what risk to reward ratio. So probably when price pulled up a bit, we'll have taken this, but we'll still watch. I missed the trade. I know there are so many opportunities in the market, but waiting since Monday to miss this trade is just funny. Well, although sometimes you can still wait for a month in trading to what? Take a loss. Is normal, right? People wait for months to take a loss in trading. Okay, so that is basically it. So price took out this buy side liquidity right here above, then going for the sell side. So that is simply the idea behind this trade. But I was expecting price to tap in a bit so that I can take the trade. But now this price at sell side liquidity now. Overall, this is how many pips trade. Calculating from there to here. Oh no. No. This is around 150. It's more than 150 pips anyway. But although see where I would have left the market here, 70 pips or 60 pips, I guess. Or if I should hold to here, it would have been what 100 pips. But many people ask, since you saw it, why didn't you re-enter again? Trust me, this is an emotional game. You don't have to fight the market. Anything can literally happen. So me entering again, I didn't like the feeling of not entering here it brings about so many other emotional stuff, and I'm probably busy. I was not even watching the market back to back for any reason. So that was why I didn't decide. Like, I know there will be a retracement for sure, and we'll take another trade, because now looking at GBP USD, I don't think it has even filled its gap. Okay, so that is that for now anyway. So please do well to like, subscribe, share this YouTube video. Then also drop a comment. How would you feel when you miss a trade you have been waiting for? I want to know how you will feel when you miss a trade, how you will react. Okay, then also do well to join our Telegram, because that is where I post all these updates. I believe some people even took the trade before me because they were comfortable with what they want to risk. But for me, I was just trying to be that precise with everything, which is sometimes is not that good. Just have what you want to risk. Once you lose it, you're good. This is a good risk to reward. This is around risking one to get three. 1:3 risk to reward ratio is massive, is great, right? Depending on your win rate. You understand? Depending on your win rate. But me before, once I see price takes out the high like this, I normally enter here. But sometimes you see it expanding 100 pips further. But that is not bad. That is just I'll put it is the idea or the ideology we have or take into consideration. Okay? So there is nothing much there. There is nothing much to be worried about. There is more updates. There is more opportunities in the market, and there is more trades to take. Okay. So this is a 1 minute time frame. This is a 1 minute time frame of what actually is going on. So price is gonna take out this low for sure. That is where the sell side. Many people that are early buyers. That is probably anybody that has up to 100 pips stop loss. Is gone. So I don't want to force a buy to take a buy trade for the retracement for any reason. No, you don't really catch a falling knife. It's not advisable. Just I'm leaving the market till next week. I'll come back next week and millions will be made for sure. Okay, millions will be made for sure. So nothing to worry about, nothing to feel bad for. That is the game. That is the game. That is the game completely. So that is that for now. Okay, thank you guys for watching this YouTube video once again, and bye bye.